Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore your website in case you lose everything but you have access in your WordPress. I'm going to use the plugin UpdraftPlus to restore your website. Now, if you don't have access to your WordPress but you have access to your hosting, I will use Hostinger to restore your website. If you don't have Hostinger, you have other hosting, use it to do it. Okay? Now, let's go in my WordPress to do this. First, I'm going to go in Pages. I'm going to delete all my page. Move to Trust and Apply. But before to click in Apply, I'm going to show you the website. This is the website. Click in Home, you can see the website, everything is okay. Service, everything is okay. It's the same for other page. Now, let's go back to WordPress. I'm going to click to Apply. All my page is deleted. Let's refresh here. I lose everything. Okay? Now, let's go back to WordPress. Click in UpdraftPlus. You need to have this plugin installed before you lose everything, okay? Now, click in Restore. You see, I have an existing backup, the WordPress plugins, term, upload, and other thing. Just click in Restore now. Everything is okay. Choose the component. I'm going to restore all the thing. Just check everything. Click in Next. Download it back up. Everything is okay. Let's see what happened here. The download backup 5 is needed. Okay. Let's click in Restore. Okay. Restoration progress. Database okay. Plugins. Okay. Themes. Okay. Uploads is okay. Restore successful. Let's come back. Click and return to UpdraftPlus configuration. Now you need to log in again in your website. I am logging in my website. Okay. I look here, everything looks good. Let's refresh this page to see what happens here. Okay, everything is okay. Let's see the service page. Good. Review page. Good. Okay, let's go into WordPress to look at the pages. You can see I have all my pages back again. Everything is okay. Now, think, if you don't have access to your WordPress to restore your website, you can restore it in your hosting. I'm going to use Hostinger to restore my website. Let's delete all again. Let's refresh this page. Let's delete trash homepage. The homepage is deleting. Let's refresh the homepage here. Yeah, I don't have the homepage. Let's go in my hosting. I'm here in my hosting. You need to click in website. Click in dashboard to your website. After dashboard to your website and Hostinger. After, click in backups. Now, click in restore website. Choose backup date. I will choose this date and click in restore now. Not problem. Restore. Restoring backup. You can close the window now. Okay, now it's time to wait. Everything is done. Let's come back in my website. Let's refresh this page. Let's refresh this page. The home page is here. You can click in restore. Now my home page is come back. I'm going to publish that. Publish, update now. Let's see my page. It's everything is okay or not. You can see everything is okay. Let's see. Service page. Okay. About me. Let's come back to homepage again. Everything is okay. If you need help, just let a comment below. I will let all the link, Hostinger Nippy link. And very important, if you are our client and you need the plugins UpdraftPlus, go in your account page or log in and Nippy link. just click in Login. Next, go in Pro Plugins include with Nippy. Go here and click in UpdraftPlus Pro to download the plugin. After the plugin is downloaded, you can use it in your website to restore your website. And if you are not our client yet, go to nippy.com, click and get started. Put your first name, last name, your phone number, your email, your password, and check all these and click and get Nippy. After, go to your account page, you can download the Pro plugins. After that, remember, you can have access to WordPress and all other Pro plugins. For example, WordPress Security, Divi, Rank Max Zero Pro, MemberPress Download, MemberPress PDF, MemberPress Account, MemberPress Pro, Fluent CMR. This is Email Marketing Pro, Fluent Support, Fluent Form, Betterdoc, and Admin Insight Enhancement. And if you are our lifetime client, you can click in Pro Plugins for lifetime plan user, and you can have access to all of these plugins, affiliate plugins, WhatsApp plugins, SEO and analytic plugins, e-commerce plugins, page builder and design plugins. All is Pro plugins, optimization and performance plugins, translation plugins, schedule plugins, security and SSLA plugins. And after that, you have more options. WordPress Pro Theme, WooCommerce Pro Theme. Don't forget, if you want to have access to all of these plugins, you need to do one subscription. You just need to get Nippy, have access forever. You can see that. After that, you can have a complete website package, lifetime update in this moment, Pro plugins, the same in the plan starter, exclusive package, premium template, additional Pro plugins, Pro themes, WooCommerce Pro team, dedicated support, and exclusive community. My name is Cliff. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.